How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can comment anonymously on Facebook group. In order to do so, first of all, you must ensure that the group allows anonymous posting. First of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, you will need to ensure that the group you are in has the anonymous posting feature enabled by the group admins. You can check this by going to the group's About section and looking for features related to that. First of all, tap on the profile icon with 3 horizontal bars on it at the top, and then from here you will need to select the groups option. Once you tap on groups, you will be taken to this page. From here, now you will need to select the group. Once after selecting the group, you will be able to see this anonymous post right here. If you see this, you can simply tap on it and write to post. Once doing that, make sure the post anonymously option at the very top is enabled. Once doing that, you can tap on the post option to post it. Also note that if you wish to comment anonymously, you can only do so on your own anonymous post. Also, anonymous posts may require approval from admins before they become visible in the group. If you didn't find your post in the group, that means your post needs approval from admins. Once it has been approved, then you'll be able to comment on your post anonymously. So by following these steps, you should be able to comment anonymously in a Facebook group. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.